Welcome, in front of me is a POPTEL P8, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of other file from the phone to SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up the file manager, which is right here. So it's called File Manager. Tap on it and you will see the two different storages. So you have the phone one and the SD card. Now for me, most of the files, or actually let's actually have a file to transfer. So I'm going to open up camera as long as I can find it right there. And I'm going to capture a photo so I have something to move. So now I do. Let's go back to File Manager. So the photo should be in the internal storage of the device, and it will be located under DCIM. As you can see it right here. That is the photo that I have taken. Let's go back. So basically, photos and videos will be located under DCIM folder. Downloads will have all the files that you have downloaded through Google or Chrome. So any kind of photos, files, music, anything that you have downloaded using Chrome will be located here. And screenshots and stuff like that will be located under pictures. Now anything else like music or movies, you would put it there yourself. The phone doesn't actually categorize it there, so you'll probably know where it is if you're trying to move that. But for this example, I'm going to be moving the photo that I have taken, and it's located right here. And the premise is the same for any kind of other file. You do it basically the exact same way. So you want to hold the file, it gets selected in the blue, and then you have the option to either copy or cut it. Now, if you have a lot of files, you don't have to actually tap on all of them to select them. You can just go back and move the entire folder by doing the same thing. So once you have it selected, you can then choose which option you want. Now, copy will keep the file that is right now in the same place and make an additional one in a desired location, while cut will remove it from here and move it to a other location of your choice. So I'm going to choose the cut option, and from there, I'm going to go back to the first page where you get to select the send this card now, and I can create a new folder right here. I can name it wherever I like. I can basically name it the same way. So DCIM, tap on OK. Now let's go in here, and you will have next to the folder, you will have the clipboard icon. That is the paste one. Once you tap it, it will move the file right here, and you can see that there is the photo that was previously on the phone. Now it's located on the SD card. So that is how you would transfer files, photos, movies, music, anything from one place to another. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.